This is a Korea subway metro station. Can you see this line for people? Many crowd is there. Now we are going to the Seoul. Now the metro will become and we will go on there in Itaewon station. So we are waiting for the train. The train is coming now. Now the time is remaining. After 2-3 minutes, the train will be reached here. So now we are waiting, just waiting for here. Very huge, very big station. So now we are waiting. It's coming. Seoul, it is South Korea, the city of Seoul, Seoul subway. So now the train was approaching, now it is approached. So we are going to the Itaewon city. Yeah, now we are just sitting now. Yeah, now we have reached there.